Hi guys, it's me Jimmy again. Intel i7 Broadwell EE is coming in 2016. Basically, Intel Broadwell EE is a next-gen i7 processor which will have 10 core, basically 20 threads in Windows environment. Basically, mean 10 logical core and 20 virtual core, which is called threads. Basically, Intel i7 was coming in next year in 2015 in around July, but Intel has postponed to 2016 around January to March. In the first quarter it will come. Why the hell Intel did? Because AMD Zen, the next gen architecture from AMD Zen, which truly will compete with i7, next gen i7, are much superior than the Intel Broadwell E architecture. That's why Intel Broadwell E processor are really inferior compared to the Zen architecture. That's why Intel is so scared they even couldn't release the processor on their timeline. I really couldn't believe it. Basically, you can say the AMD Zen processor will have 16 core and then it will have 32 threads, and compared to the Intel the processor which only has 10 core and 20 thread. And basically the Intel i7 Broadwell E processor will have 4 GHz frequency, the minimum base frequency, compared to the AMD 5 GHz frequency. I'm really excited. Everybody know AMD is back in the game. AMD hold 30% market share. Everybody know after the AMD Zen, basically Zen means life indeed. Yes, Zen, this Zen processor will really give life to AMD, and it will make a big bang for the AMD. It will make a big boom for the AMD to come back in the game. Really, AMD is going to have 50% market share. Currently it only have 30% market share. So basically both processor Broadwell E and then the AMD Zen will support DDR4. Basically you can already buy the Intel processor, the current Haswell E processor i7, 520K i7, 530K i7, 560X, which both of three processors only require DDR4. You couldn't use DDR3. But the Zen processor will be the first processor from the AMD which will require DDR4 RAM. So you will be wondering, Jimmy, would you please tell me what the hell we are gonna receive from AMD and then Intel in 2015? And from Intel you wouldn't receive any high-end processor, you will only receive lower-end i3 and the Intel Pentium. And from AMD you will receive the AMD FX processor, the FX 8350 or the FX 8370 with overclock, and they renamed to FX 8400. Yes, FX 8400 you will receive this next year from AMD. FX 8400, which will be a little bit overclock compared to the AMD FX 8370, which is a new FX 8370, which is a minor upgrade to FX 8350, but in benchmark it is performed behind FX 8350. So from Intel you will receive the Pentium or i3. From AMD you will just receive the FX 8400 processor, which will be a minor overclock. That's all in 2015. But the real game, the real Clash of Titans is gonna be in 2016. I'm a big fan of AMD. AMD is really back. I was a bored AMD fan. I hate fanism, really. But I love AMD. I love AMD graphic card. I love AMD processor. The first processor I ever used was in my, I forgot the name, AMD Athlon X2. I use it. It was awesome processor. It was awesome processor. 2016 will be really the biggest game changer for the processor market. Intel Giant will be competing with a smaller fish, which is basically AMD is really small. That's right, and Intel is so big. But never underestimate a smaller fish. Sometimes the smaller fish is smart enough to come back and then bite the big fish and then make it die. I will just say that. Never ever think that. AMD is back. I know by 2017 everybody know AMD will be rocking in the processor market, because AMD already have the AMD ARM processor, which is the x86 architecture combined with the ARM architecture, which is basically much superior than the Intel Atom processor. Basically AMD trying to get into the APU market. Basically if you want a processor with the graphic on it, of course you should go with AMD with the APU. PS4 and Xbox One ready for they are using the AMD processor. Everybody within next to 3 year AMD will be back, Intel will be that size, AMD will be that size. So just subscribe to my channel, and it's me, GMegaGeek. If you hate me, just hate me. If you like me, just like me. I'm a geek. You cannot ignore me. Just subscribe to my channel. It's an order. If you're AMD fanboy, you must really definitely subscribe to my channel. If you're Intel fanboy, you should even subscribe to my channel, because I'm your enemy. Of course, you wanna watch and listen to your enemy. I'm a geek. Timing out. Bye bye.